Next start. Nak cakap apa? I lupa.
What's your name?
My name is Intan.
Okay, and what's your position in AmpQuartz?
Okay, my position in AmpQuartz is as a content creator.
So how about your job scope?
Okay, my job scope for daily is creating content, post social media, handle social media, and I done everything for social media. Nama you siapa?
Nama saya Ali.
Okay, what is your name?
Nama saya Aong.
What's your position in this company?
Sorry,
What's your name? I'm Beyonce.
Oh my god, Beyonce.
Say thank you. Thank you, Beyonce. What do you want to do? What's your real name?
I'm Hema.
Okay, Hema. What's your position in this company?
I'm senior sales executive here.
Wow. And what's your job scope?
Job scope, ni lah layan semua ni. This is what I daily do lah. I need to layan customer. I need to layan all of these people. That's my job scope.
Oh, thank you, Beyonce. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Layan the people selling online.
Yeah. This is another job. I need to layan all the customer from online as well. So I hope so lah. This pineapple will bring me luck.
Ong.
Hello.
Hi,
What are you doing?
I'm working.
Okay. What is your name?
My name is Sean.
Okay, what is your position in this?
I'm a cleaner.
Oh my god. Cleaner?
I wash toilet every day.
Yes, this is our cleaner. Okay, what's your position in this company?
I'm a CEO of the company.
Wow. CEO.
CEO also wash toilet, you know.
And then what's your job scope?
My job scope.
Yes.
Yeah, I help you make money, so you got work to do.
That's all? Any
I hope that you can spend more money for anyone who watch the video. Right? I want you to spend more money on us. Buy more cabinets from us, okay?
Okay. What is your name?
My name is Shipping.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, his name is Shibin. What is your position in this company?
I'm a web developer in media.
Web developer. What is your name?
Ada.
Ada. Okay, what's your position? What's your position in this company?
Same with you. Content creator.
Wow, content creator, my partner. Okay. So, what's your job scope?
I do recording.
Recording.
I record. Do content like this.
Like that.
I shoot her.
What are you doing?
Selling pineapple.
Are you busy?
Yup, why?
What is your name?
Mars,
Mars. Okay, what is your position in this company?
sales,
Okay, sales. What's your daily routine in this company?
buat connection dengan customer, walk in customer and serve customer macam tu.
Okay, serve customer, all about customer. So sekarang AmpQuartz ada open position untuk korang, iaitu Jobsite Coordinator, Content Creator dan juga Sales Consultant. So if you guys want to work with it at here with us, just apply now.